I ordered a whole bunch of sweaters on Amazon. We're gonna try them on today, review the fit, the quality, and do a comparison between what the picture looks like and what the actual item looks like. Because sometimes you just never know on Amazon what you're gonna get. Everything will be linked in the description below, so you can check it out if you want to. This first one is by the brand Versace. Maybe it's an Italian brand. Pretty sure it's not. I ordered this in a medium. The tag says extra large, and I also ordered this in the color wine red. The tag says burgundy. So I'm willing to throw them a bone here at the Versace factory that the burgundy is probably the same as wine red. The medium versus extra large, I don't really know. This to me feels tight, and it does not feel like an oversized sweater. It's sort of soft. It almost feels and looks like it was a nice sweater that someone threw in the wash and dried it, and now it's kind of like matted. Maybe it's just the fact that it's not oversized and it's kind of tight on me. Turtleneck is fairly soft, I guess. I would need this in a much bigger size to make it feel comfortable. This one is by the brand Dokatu. It's a medium, and it's definitely oversized. The bottom of the sleeve is about halfway down my torso. It's got kind of a cable knit detail down the front. In the picture, it's very drapey on her arm, and I don't feel like this has quite as much drape. I would consider this true to size. This is a medium. The material on this is a little bit, not a soft yarn. It almost has a rope kind of feel to it, so it's not super plushy soft, but I actually think it feels nice. I don't feel like I'm gonna instantly sweat when I put this on. Sometimes sweaters are just so warm and they feel amazing right away, and then it's like, ugh, like I just can't wait to get it off. But I don't feel like this at all. I'm not sure if you would tuck this one in. Maybe. I think so. I think you could. You could tuck it in. I think it's actually a really nice sweater. I kind of just like the feel of it because it's not so hot. I just get hot. This next one is by the brand Gabberly. It's like straight across on the top and then comes down. It doesn't even look like a sweater to me. It almost looks like you could wear it upside down, like you could flip it around and wear it kind of like this. So we might have to just try both ways. This one is listed as a boat neck batwing dolman sleeve sweater. The boat neck is not all that boaty. It's a little wide, but basically it's just a slit in the top of the sweater. The batwing, they got that right. This is like a bat, like I feel like a bat. This is also a one size fits all, which I sort of believe for the top. It's really, really oversized on top. So if you're smaller than I am, it's gonna look even more oversized. And if you are bigger than I am, it's gonna probably fit you okay. But the band right here is actually pretty tight. The material on this one is actually, look at that sleeve. I can cover up the whole camera. It's really actually quite soft. Let's flip it over and see what it looks like the other way. Okay, you're definitely not supposed to wear it like this. If this was tighter on my waist, this is even worse because it's just that little neck hole, and then you get all this kind of drapiness here. If you wanted to hide, there's only one way to wear this, and it's the right way. This one's by the brand Ugrlove, and it has a really tight neck, like I have to put it on over my head like this, and I just don't like to do that. This is an oversized bat wing. I don't even know if I would call this bat wing. It's not the wings that are big, it's the middle section. I don't know what the name for that style is, but like stop sign. The sizing for this one either comes in a small medium or a large extra large. This is the small medium. The material feels like what you would expect. It's just soft yarn, not super plushy, but not scratchy. She's not tucking this in the picture, but I think if you tucked it in, it would look a little bit better. Although you still kind of get that like wide boxy right here, but if you don't put your arms up like that, then you don't see that. It does have kind of pretty detail down the shoulder and then where it connects to the sleeve. The sleeves are nice and long on this one, and it's really comfortable and cozy. So I think if you're okay with kind of that look, I would actually think this is a nice sweater. This one is by the brand Emily Bella, which is a brand I've never reviewed before on Amazon. This is a medium, and it feels like the right size for me, so I would say it's true to size. It's kind of this fuzzy popcorn. It says Sherpa, but I don't know, I wouldn't really call it Sherpa. A little longer in front, and then even a little bit longer in back. It's got a little side slit on the side. I think that's looks good tucked in, of course. The sleeves are nice and long on this one, and I think this is actually a really pretty sweater. This to me looks very much like what the picture shows, and that's kind of nice sometimes. This one is also by the brand Dokatu. Maybe we just do a Dokatu haul sometime. I think it's the color block that's throwing me on this one. Let's look past the color block that I don't like and try and give it a fair chance. I got this one in a medium, and it's not a very oversized sweater. True to size, but not an oversized true to size. I think this is good if you want to emphasize your broad shoulders or the middle section of your body. The arms are nice and long. She tucks it in the picture, so let's tuck it. The material is kind of more of that scratchy, not super plush, soft knit, but I don't know, if you like color block, maybe. Not really sure why I picked this one. I was trying to pick a variety. This one is by the brand Trendy Queen. I'm not sure how this one snuck in because it's actually a sweatshirt and not a sweater. We're just gonna roll with it and review it. Maybe I need to do some sort of sweatshirt haul to find some cozy sweatshirts. Let me know in the comments if that interests you. Also, while you're down there, hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe if you want more of this. This one is in a medium. They call it a turtleneck, but it's definitely a mock neck. It's got kind of a little slit on the sides, or well, not on that side, only on that side. Interesting. So just make sure you put your hair up on this side to show off that little slit, little extra peek of skin there. I do like the look of the mock neck on this. It does look a little more elevated than something you might wear around the house or anything that I wear around the house. This would be a lot to tuck in, and this to me is just more of a casual sweatshirt anyway. I don't know, maybe that looks better tucked in, but it just feels odd to me. I would probably not do that. The inside is really soft Sherpa. There's nothing just mega super special about this, but there's nothing really super wrong with it either. This one is by the brand Zessica. It's a lantern sleeve. This is a medium, and I would say it's true to size. It has a really soft mock neck collar, and the material is a really, really soft, kind of plushy material. I think you would tuck this one in. I don't really love the stripes, and I don't like that it kind of sits and bubbles right at the stripe for some reason. I'm just really, really picky. It's really soft. I would consider personally checking this out to see if there's other colors. This one is also by the brand Dokatu. The reason I ordered this one was because I just thought it was kind of odd looking. The sleeve in the picture just looks so crazy oversized that I just wanted to see what it looks like. I don't think it looks as crazy enormously sleeved as it does in the Amazon listing. This is a medium, and the style is a little bit more cropped than some of the other ones. It's an oversized fit as far as like the sleeves are really big, but it's not necessarily a huge, enormous sweater. The material is really super, super soft, and the cuff is really soft and nice. Got a little pocket for your stuff. This is a super soft, cozy sweater. It has a detail in the back that goes across that makes it kind of unique. And I actually really think this is a pretty sweater. I'm telling you, Dokatu, they make some nice stuff. I have another video where I reviewed a whole slew of Amazon clothes for fall or winter, and I will put that right here for you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Ah! Seriously.